Welcome back again. Hope your coffee or tea is still going because I think I'm going to take a bonus look at a second Sudoku today. There's a 4 out of 10 that looks quite interesting. Here it is. So as ever, let's just start going around and finding the obvious first clues we can work with. What else have we got? You know I always miss some, but we'll pick them up later. We can start doing a little bit of maths. Here we can highlight this cell, has to be a 9. Same on this side, noting that we've got reflectional symmetry down the middle, makes that a 1. 7, 8, 9 out of here makes this a 5, 6. And 1 being in there makes this a 2, 3, 4. 1s and 5s out of there make this a 3, 4. 3, 3, 4, 4 make this a 1, 2, 8. And then 8s and 9s out gives us a 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right, and then what are we missing along here? So we've got a 1, need a 2, got a 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 2, 7, 8. Can't have 7 or 8 in there, look. So that's only going to be a 2, and that's going to be a 5. So 2 out of here. At the moment that can be 7 or 8 with a 2 or a 3 partnering it, and a 9 with a 7 or an 8, and a 4 or 5 partnering, but that's nice because there's a 5 there already. So that's a 4, making that an 8, and that a 7, and making that a 3. Okay, so 5s resolve this to be a 5. Then we've got a pair of 7s here which can come along here and resolve that to be an 8 and 9, and this to be a 7. So we can take a... We've got a 3, 4 in the middle, making that a 2, and that a 3, 4. And the 2 and the 8 can come out of here, making that a 1, making that a 2, 8. So that's nice. So what are we missing now? We need a 1, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, we need a 1, 6, excuse me, 9. There's a 1, 6, 9. So can't have a 1 in here for a start. 6 or 9 would be, 6 or 9 would be partnered with a 5 or a 2. Can't have a 1 in there either, which is nice because actually we can resolve that to be a 1 with an 8. That's a 6, 9 with a 6 or a 9. This one, take the 8s out, but we're not quite close enough. Let's start looking down here and seeing what these rows give us. 1, 2 come out of there, not quite there yet. 7 and 3 out of that one. Now we get a 1, 5 here. Take a 1, 9 out. So that's a 2, 8, and 4, 6. Can't be a 6 because of the 6, 9 look. So this is now a 2, 8. What can this do for us here? 2s and 8s out. So that's a 3, 7, 9, 4, 6, 9, 3, 7, 4, 6. So we've got one of these nice kind of matching pairs here. 1, 5 here, by the way, can resolve that to be a 2 and a 9, which makes that 6 and a 9 like so. So actually we can now fill in, this can't have 2s or 9s or 8s, since this is a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 in there, 1 and 5 down below that. There's a 1 there. Got a bit of a way to go before we can resolve that. 4's out as well. This means that's a... I took the 4's out incorrectly there, didn't I? So that's a 3, 6, 7. 3s and 7s come out of there. And the 6, so that's a 1, 4, 5, and put 1, 4, 5 in there too. That's interesting. Look, these two combinations, it cannot be 1 or 5. There's only a 4 left. So we can already say that's going to be our 4. Take a 4 out of that, and then let's clear that, because this is going to be a 4, 6, 9. Got a 9 up there, so 9 and 6 resolve like that. So 6 can come out of that. we can make this a 3, 7. Actually, let's just clear that. What's missing in here? 1, 2, 3. Need a 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, that was a bit neater. 9 out of that. Okay. Not that it's helping us right now, but there are some interesting traits here. There's a lot of similarly numbered cages pointing at each other. So look, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. So this 11, for example, can't be a 5, 6 because that's already in there. Doesn't definitively give us anything else, but it's an interesting one to remember. 2, 9 out of there as well. So 1 can't exist in any of these. No, so there's got to be a 1 in here. So we can already resolve that. Now it can't be 1, 5. That can't be 5. Can't be a 5 in there, look, because that's a 10. So this is going to have to have a 5 in it. So that's going to have to be a 5, 6, like so, which is nice. Because it also knocks that out, gives us a 4, 8, 9 there. We can resolve those two. So we can take 1s and 2s and 6s out. So this is a 3, 7, which works nicely and resolves those for us. We can now take the 5, 9 out of there. This is a 6, 8. We can take the 8 out of there. So then the only unresolved numbers in this whole column are 4, 9, which we can put in there. And actually it can't be a 9, look, because of that 9. So 4 goes there, 9's there, 4, 8 there, and we can clean that up thanks to the one at the top, and then the 8 comes up here and resolves those two for us. Now what can we do about this? Can't have a 2 in it. So this is a 1, 3, 6. So we can resolve these two. 3 and 6 out of there, making this a 7, 4. We resolve those two and that. And where's that gone like that? That's a 3. And then 4s and 7s out of here makes 8 and 5. And then 8s and 7s out of here makes this a 2 and a 9. Very nice. Resolve those. Resolve that thanks to the 5 down below. The 4 comes up here and resolves those two. We can now make this a 1, 4. 1s out of there. Interestingly makes that a 3, 6. 4 out of there. Anything else? Can't be a 5, 6, look, because we've already got 5 and 6 in the same column. 2, 9 or 3, 8 are both valid at the moment, I think. Do a bit more resolution. Doesn't quite help us, except we can put a 6 in there now. So that's got to have a 6 in it. It can't have a 1 or a 4 in it. Okay, so we're down to a couple of options. We'll get there soon. 6, 8, 6 and 8 out of there. 2, 9, 4, 7. Can't be a 4, 7 because there's a 4, 7 both blocking that cell. So this is now a 9 and a 2. We'll take that out, making this an 8 and a 3, which means that can't have a 3, 8 in. So this is a 2, 5, 7, 9, because the 6 is already there. 2 and 7 out of here brings 5 and 9 out of here. The 9's already there. The 2's across there. That's nice. Then we can start resolving some of these. Or maybe not so many. What am I missing? Okay, there's an 8 there. Okay, 8 and a 6, 6 and a 4, and that 4 and a 1, and then that 1 and a 5. And then what are we missing in this column? We're missing a 1 and 1, 2 and a 3. We'll be missing in this column. We're missing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. And there we go. That was basically as quick as the previous 2 out of 10, which is sometimes a little bit puzzling. Not too many difficult aspects of this one. I think the key to this being solved quickly was being really thorough in getting these top 3 squares figured out and getting the options figured out here. And then that let you actually drop down and start figuring out down here where there are previously it had been quite bare, and then the rest just fell into place in the middle. Hope you enjoyed watching this being solved step by step. If you've got any comments or feedback, please leave a comment or leave a thumbs up. It'd be great to hear from you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing, as we'll be posting more like them almost every day. And otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.